Hexomatic makes it easy to tap into the internet as your own data source and automate 100+ common sales, marketing, or research tasks in minutes. The easiest way to get started is using our ready-made workflow templates. These let you run simple tasks such as scraping Google search results or verifying a list of email addresses, to more complex workflows such as finding and researching recently funded companies, combining Google News and ChatGPT. To run a workflow, simply click it and then make some edits to tailor the results. For example, let's find local leads using Google Maps. Here, I'm going to search for sushi restaurants in LA and use the email discovery automation to find contact details for each local business. The best part is that you can add any automation to your workflow, just like Lego. Then we click Run. Once the workflow has completed, we can then download the results in a convenient CSV or Google Sheet format. Neat, right? Hexomatic, you can combine common sales, marketing, or research tasks in just a few clicks. Plus, with our native ChatGPT automation, you can perform human tasks such as writing, analysis, classification, or summarization. No coding, hiring, or complex software to learn.